Okay guys, so this is a video of kind of nasty but necessary mixing. There's gonna be times in your DJ profession or DJing at parties or whatever where you could put on a song and that song just bombs and you just need to get a new song on quickly. You don't want any trills, you don't want anything fancy going on, you just want to get another song on quickly without just having to stop and start another song. So this is something I've used quite a few times, DJing at parties, DJing at weddings, stuff like that. It's just, you don't want it to sound completely amateur, but you want to just quickly fade one song out and fade another track in. So the secret here, and it's a really simple trick, but again, it's one that I have used, is you just filter down the song. So you take all the highs out of the song like this. It's going down, fade to black street, the take the highs out, fade it down, do it slowly, and my technique here is to pinch this one between the thumb and forefinger there, and then use your second finger here to just push that down. So turn it to the right, and as you begin to hear that effect come in where it takes out all the highs, push it down like this, okay? And you can just get that one out the way, and you'll just get this kind of effect, okay? No doubt, I put it down, never slouch. Okay, it sounds, you want to just kind of filter this out like you're just going, let's move that one slowly out of the way rather than going stop, okay? And then you always want to come in with another song that's got a bit of welly to it, something that everybody knows, something that's maybe even different to that song. If there's a chance that's bombed, you just want to try a whole new thing at a party just to keep everybody going. So you could get a song like this. So let me show you how I would typically do this. I've just put on this track. No one's liking it. I just need to get this track out of the way and get another track in quickly. This is not fancy, this is not clever. There's going to be a lot of people out there who say that's terrible DJing, but trust me, all DJs have done this at some point. Just get that song off, get another song on. Don't worry about beat matching, don't worry about anything fancy. It's all about the audience. You see, if you're trying to perfect DJing in your bedroom, then you can practice all these little things, but the reality is sometimes you're just there in a room full of people, everyone's having a good time, and you put on a song that bombs. People might even moan and walk off the dance floor. You want to get another song on quickly. People will forget about a bad mix, but what people will remember is if a bad song comes on and you let it play all the way to the end, okay? So, let me give you an example of exactly how this would work. It's quick. Bump like gasoline, no doubt. I put it down, never slouch. As long as my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than. And that's it, guys. That is literally it. Turn it down, filter it off, press play. It's a bit extreme, but it's a necessary thing you guys need to have in your arsenal if you're going to go and do an actual DJ gig. I'll do it for you guys one more time. Waxing, still moving this flavor with the homie. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better. And there we go, that's it. Guys, if you enjoy this video, if you're a beginner DJ and you want to know more about DJing, you want to try and get the basics down, you want to learn about beat matching, you want to learn about different skills and tricks and mixing different music and putting a good set together, I've got a full tutorial out there at www.beginnerdjlessons.com. There'll be a link underneath this video, and there's a full course with 8 videos. I'll teach you everything you need to know, from not even knowing what a single knob on this DJ deck does, straight up to advanced beat matching and different techniques that you can use. And I teach it in 8 simple steps, and I give additional tracks which are different beat tracks that you can practice beat matching with. So guys, if you're interested and you want to learn a bit more about DJing, come and check it out at beginnerdjlessons.com. Thanks for watching.